In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and find key information within Google Drive when linked with your Wise account, specifically focusing on accessing your Euro account details. First, let's kick things off by logging into your Wise account. You want to ensure you're connected to a stable internet source, as the loading process can sometimes be a bit laggy if the connection is weak. Once you're on your account's homepage, direct your attention to the main menu. Here you will find various account options, among which is your Euro account. This is where most of your transactions take place if you primarily deal with Euro currency, making it an essential part of your financial overview. Once you've selected your Euro account, the next step is to click on your account number. This might seem like a simple action, but it is crucial as it opens up another layer of your account specifics, bringing you one step closer to accessing the details you need. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, yet it's always worthwhile taking a moment here to observe all the available options, as knowing where things are will make future navigation even smoother. Now, after you've successfully clicked your account number, prepare yourself to see all your account details displayed on the screen. It's at this juncture you'll be able to see your IBAN number clearly listed among other vital account details. The IBAN international bank account number is essential for international transfers, ensuring your funds are safely and correctly deposited. Having all these details in one convenient location saves you the hassle of sifting through emails or paperwork, which is why this step is particularly handy if you're frequently involved in international finance. Throughout this process, remember the importance of security. Be cautious with your information once you've found it. If you're using a shared device, make sure to log out of your account after you're finished and avoid saving passwords unless you're on a private, trusted computer. These simple steps within your Google Drive and Wise account ensure you access your Euro account details efficiently and effectively. As technology constantly updates, keeping up with such processes allows you to manage your financial matters with ease and precision. I would highly recommend familiarizing yourself with all interface options available on Wise and Google Drive to exploit their full potential, making future transactions seamless. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials that help make your online financial management a breeze. See you in the next video.